Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala haka khatsantrik unai weng loong bawat lau dang shimti kum Presiden ke MPCC. Nreu shime ke jingkit kli alor ke jingrem jong baro lengut ki kertong ke seng Kongres haki election shteng samoy ke badang syudap. Habekran beginong pathai kubor uba Vincent H. Pala ulai kublai kinong kitkam bat kinong elam keseng kibla trish toma kapor election nreu loong bagadau ba bagi kertong keseng kim shim lala ban job ki election kedai namar ka jing mi sendat ki MDC keseng banikon ki election bat kene kalah tajur ki kertong kibla penyeng na keseng. Ulong bau ba alam perang bla ula job sausian kom UMDC na ka Kongres bat ula syumi bat penesok no ila dia bak NPP bat ula kon ki election bat kumjoru UMDC ka Kongres u Ashahel Dishra ula mi bade kon na ka UDP haki election na Rajabala. Uba Vincent H. Pala ulong ba wadha maur keneng constituency ru unong elam ka Kongres ula mi no na ka seng bane kon ki election shteng samoy bat ladadai bagi ki MDC bat kinong elam ka Kongres kem shimlami na ka seng ne ya kon ki election ka jing job kan long yaki kertong ke Kongres. Ulong ba ke jing ram ki election kamde satya bagadan ke jing shrut hapo ka seng nrei namar ke jing petno je ki MDC banit peneso bat ki wei pat ki seng sen perthai. Presiden ke MPCC ulakan thoru e kaseng NPP bakala penan kambak lai ke bor jongka hak por election namar kala kem hadu shis pa anyo pongut kinongkit kam jongka Kongres Harajabala constituency hak bakila syasyo bat sya thep apo patok bat kene ke jingja kala pensyap tiengi gibreu kibaran kene ka than nong kendong bat kala penlong ru e kene ka seng ban job e ke election.
So I take full responsibility for the defeat. So they work very hard, and if you see as the vote share, very unfortunate that our own people has made us defeat because our own MDCs, one from Karo Hills, one from Khas Hills, and our own office bearers contested as rebel candidates. But if you see the overall, had they not contested, we would have won the election. And not only that, even though vote share has increased, if you see compared to all the three constituencies, Congress has maximum votes compared to NPP and UDP. Not in fighting within the Congress, actually they defected from the Congress, especially some of our party workers defected. For example, like Mao Klang, a member who was a very senior member, he defected and fought the election. So also in Carol, it's a very senior member, both of them are MDCs. So that is not infighting. Even the fighting, they should have remained in the party, should not leave the party. But they went out because they thought that they'll try their luck. So that's not that we don't call that as infighting. Whereas in Maurukaneng, you have seen he was a very senior secretary in the bloc. He left. He thought he'd try his luck. So all these temptations were given by the ruling, and ruling they saw that if they cannot do anything, if they cannot divide the Congress, or if they cannot, I'm sorry to say the words might be, they have maybe compensated them to fight the election also, then they saw that we would have won the election. If you see in the vote share also, we would have won the election had these our own people have not fought against us. So I don't take it as infighting because they have been defected. For example, many of the people who have gone from us, they left us, but these people who left us, they left us in a very crucial time. If you see as per the last election, almost I think 9 MLAs left the Congress, and apart from that party workers left for the Congress. But if you look at the overall performance of the Congress was not that bad compared to the succession year which we had before. But I think this time we'll do better, and most of the meeting today, so before coming here, I had a meeting in Ripoy, exactly by what you say, what will be the, maybe speculated that some of our leaders may go away. So as of now, it's very difficult to predict because under elections and above more than 3 months or more than 1.5 months ahead, so it's very difficult to predict now. But what I could see is that everybody in this time, they are more enthusiasm and very enthusiastic to work for the party. And our preparation for the party this time is, I think, more intense than the previous elections. I don't think, definitely 1 or 2, I don't know, maybe. 1 or 2 maybe, but especially in Garo Hills, maybe 1 or 2 people may defect. But as of now, I think majority of them will stay with the Congress. He left the party, he thought that everybody will be like him, but not will be everybody will be like Kriston. Somebody might be have left, but somebody might be thinking, okay, what will we do now also next? So it's not that everybody is the same. So we sank maybe in the last election, but we're still strong. Like you have said, we might have lost the election, but we have not lost the spirit. We are more now. Our people are more dedicated to the party. Like I've told you before coming here, I had a meeting with the MLAs, MDCs in Riboy. I've seen they've already gone ahead with the defeat and this election. They realized and they woke up and they've started organizing the party. So it may be as a step where we have to look back and work harder than what is required. I have not talked to Balapang seriously whether he come back or not. As I've told you before, I'll talk to him because they have written a letter to me, but I'll talk to him. I have not met Balapang on this issue. I'll talk to him seriously. I saw his statement that he's not going to come back. But after all, you know, human being can change their mind anytime. Sometimes what I mean today, I may not be continue the same thing tomorrow also. So, but I'm confident that it depends on the situation. If we do well, Balapang is always, his mind and heart's always with the Congress. Might be because of certain reasons he left the party. So on that issue, I'll be talking with the High Command also now. Until unless I'll get the clearance from the High Command, until unless they agree, I don't want to say much on this issue because whether he comes or no comes, because I've not talked to him. So when I talk to him, when I talk to the High Command, if he comes or not comes, also that'll be clear. But definitely I'll take up the issues. I'm very keen to have Balapang with us, and definitely I'll take up the issues.